Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make air fryer pizza bagels. These can be made in your air fryer, your Ninja Foodi, or your Ninja Speedi. Any of those will work. And you can also use a variety of toppings. We're going to focus on pepperonis today, but you can do whichever pizza ingredients you'd like to use. So the first thing you're going to need are plain bagels, or you can use gluten-free bagels. Those work just as well. Pizza sauce, many pepperonis, and shredded mozzarella cheese. Now you could do this Hawaiian style with ham and pineapple. You could even do Alfredo with Alfredo sauce, chicken and cheese. Totally up to you. So the first thing we're going to do is cut our bagels in half, and then we're going to go ahead and layer it with toppings. Now we are focusing today again on pepperoni. So I've got the bagels with a little bit of pizza sauce. Then I like to use the mini pepperonis. Those work great for this. And then we just top it with the shredded mozzarella cheese. Now this is a great one for your kids to make on their own, on a lunchtime meal or a busy weeknight. Just a great simple recipe. So then you're going to carefully and evenly place those into your air fryer basket, and you'll air fry those at 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 7 minutes, just until that cheese is melted and golden. So those usually take 5 to 7 minutes depending on how your air fryer heats. So it's going to vary in there just a little bit. So you'll want to check on them throughout the cooking time. Then you'll just go ahead and carefully remove them and serve them. And you have these great, easy air fryer pizza bagels. This is just a fun one that we like to do for lunch or just for a busy weeknight and pair it with salad. It's just a great little grab and go dinner. So these air fryer pizza bagels, you can find them on mommyhatescooking.com. But you can also find them on airfryerfanatics.com as well, which is going to have all of my air fryer recipes on one site there. So I hope you like and subscribe to this video and to this YouTube channel, and be sure to stay tuned for the next recipe. Thanks so much for joining in today.